If you guys are curious why I'm dressing off-white today, it's because I have a skill assessment later on at 1 p.m. that requires all students to dress professionally with their white coat. I'm kind of surprised that we have our OSCE early this year, which I have no complaints about because our final also come earlier this year. I would rather to have it done than stressing and worrying about it during final week. So nervous. So I was just done with my OSCE and honestly it didn't go as bad as I thought it would be. Hopefully, because we're the first group to go, they'll give us a more lenient grade. At least it is over. I made some dumpling for dinner. I usually couple my dinner time with YouTube or Netflix time, you know, because what else am I gonna do while I'm eating, like just staring into nowhere? I have so many miscellaneous tasks that I need to accomplish, mainly because they kind of built up over the past weeks due to my procrastination. So yeah, I finally have to get myself together to have them done tonight. One technique I usually use to work and manage my time more efficiently is batching, which is where you group small, easy tasks all together and finish them all in a given time. So yeah, when I have smaller tasks to do like weekly participation posts, attendance assignments, or sending out update emails, batching really come in handy. Guys, I'm so late for my class today. So there are 2 different routes that I can take to get myself to school. And I don't know what's the deal, but like every freaking single morning, there's at least a 15-minute slowdown on each of them. I'm like, what the hell, people? You're literally driving at like 5 miles per hour. It's like, that's even freaking slower than a turtle. How can you possibly get into a crash? Like, what the hell?
Knowing how this works is really important to understand how to adjust drug therapy in patients who have alterations in organ dysfunction. But it's really important for us to know how these drugs are eliminated, how they're cleared, so we can anticipate what we're going to do in situations like chronic kidney disease, or even acute kidney injury, which is temporary, cirrhosis, or acute liver injury, so a chronic or acute manifestations of these diseases.
A very intense craving for Korean food for over a week now. And if you live in the States, you know that Korean food and Korean restaurants are really overpriced. So I wonder, why don't I just make myself some kimbap to just save some money? I made some cheese tuna kimbap for dinner. Delicious food are the food that you make with love. So I've often get asked how I study or remain focused for so many hours, or just how I'm so productive in general, and I just want to share some study techniques that I'm currently using with y'all so we can be productive together. One study method I'm sure a lot of people know of is the traditional Pomodoro technique, where you plan 25 minutes of intensive studying, then granting yourself a 5 minutes break interval, and then basically repeating the whole process until you're done working. I've been trying this out for a while, and honestly, sometimes it just doesn't really fit me well, especially in occasions where I'm writing a research paper or watching the recorded videos for my classes. So I just figured out another technique not so long ago. It's called the flow time method, and basically you just take a singular task and finish it in one setting without any interruptions. Hi guys, today is Wednesday. I'm actually in my white coat right now because I'm about to go to my IPI site. We have a class this morning, but I decided to ditch because Wednesday is the only day that works for me and my partner so that we can fulfill our IPI requirements. I actually cannot film at the site for y'all because phones are prohibited per our core syllabus policy, but I'll catch on with you guys later. So yeah. Oh my gosh, guys.
It is currently 9:30 right now. So, long story short, I was so exhausted when I got home today at 5, so I granted myself a little energy nap.
And
My dumb ass thought that I was able to wake up when my alarm goes off,
but
it turned out to be 4 hours long. I still have a lot of things to do today.
tonight's gonna be a long night.
I'm like so starving right now. So let's eat dinner first. Food is my priority.
Now I know that it takes a while for us to gain our optimal focus when we're studying, so one technique I use to maximize my concentration is doing candle meditation before I start studying or working. While you're gazing at the light, try to dump any kind of thoughts, including those distracting ones, for like 3 to 5 minutes straight. By doing so, you can optimize your focus for your study session as well as improve your learning, as meditation improves your ability to store information in your memory by increasing the blood flow in your brain. Now I know that this video is already really long, so this last study tip will conclude my study vlog today. If you guys like this kind of video and want me to share more study tips in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.